exploring the south of Hong Kong Island with historical monuments and a pleasant stroll in the forest. This is John and Fern. So welcome back to episode 4 of Hike Your Hike. We are now in Aberdeen Country Park, and today I have a hike that suits my level that I want to recommend.
We're going to do his hike today. We've not done this, he's quite right, it's not on our map at the moment. As always, if you have a recommendation, please go to our website, check the map out, see if you've got one to do. What are we going to do today, George?
So today we are going to do this hike in Aberdeen Country Park. It's mainly concrete path, it's quite easy, nice and chill, like really suitable for those like hiking beginner and people like me.
Yeah, so a bit easier. Big shout out to Kailas, of course. Thank you for your gear, which we're wearing today. Right, about 14k to do. Let's get going.
In this series of Journey, we're hiking your hike. Over the past 5 years, we have covered more than 50 Hong Kong hikes, but there are lots more hidden gems that we need you to help us find. So if you know a great hike not on our map, please let us know with a comment down below. In previous episodes, we have covered some challenging hikes, but in this episode, we're going to dumb things down a bit and go on to a beginner-friendly trail. We'll start the hike at Peel Rise Road and go up to the Aberdeen Country Park. Following the Aberdeen Nature Trail, in front of us is the reservoir. This is a reservoir.
Yeah, if it breaks, we're in deep trouble.
The Aberdeen Reservoir was built in 1931 to supply water to the western side of Hong Kong Island and was declared a monument in 2009. The scale of this tremendous reservoir is stunning when standing at its base and looking up. Passing the reservoir, we came to a lookout point where you can get a view of the entire southern district. Although I grew up near here, DJ is obviously the better tour guide.
And what's that over then in the distance?
I don't really know.
Okay, let me give you an introduction to the place where George was brought up. Over there, you're going out to Deepwater Bay and then Repulse Bay just a bit further on from there around the corner. As he said, that's Wong Truk Ham behind us. George, not much of a tour guide.
We followed the trail all the way down to Wan Chai Gap. Once down, we took the Aberdeen Reservoir Road and looped back up to the Aberdeen Country Park Trail.
Some serious hiking here, George.
Yeah, as we are going up, it's quite steep, so I need a hiking stick. Yeah.
We're walking up a road which is slightly uphill.
Let's go. It's a pleasant hike in a quiet and leafy forest where you can hear running water and the sound of birds. Back on the Country Park Road, we bump into a fan of the show.
I follow the video. I like hiking.
Yeah.
Very good.
Thank you.
It's
So cool.
Yeah.
It's my first time seeing an audience on
and
a hike.
Now he looks very fit. Before.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But the point is, George, let's get it straight here. He wanted to take a picture with me.
No, with me as
His
well.
favourite drone and phone presenter.
With me as well. Undoubtedly, the fan likes me more than DJ. End of discussion. The path joins the Hong Kong Trail Section 3, which we follow in the opposite direction as it loops round to Peel Rise and cuts back down to Aberdeen. Okay, that's the end of this episode, about 16 kilometers hike. What do you think?
Well, it was very easy compared to the stuff that we've done earlier. Quite a long distance. It's been a perfect day for it. Not too hot, which is good at this time of year. Quite pleasant, quite flat, a few little hills, but not really anything to speak of. And very good quality paths. So right up your street, George.
Yeah, I love it. Concrete path, yeah. So if you know any path that we haven't covered before, leave a comment below so we can hike your hike. So don't forget to like our show, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will see you next time.
My name's DJ Clark.
I'm George.
This
is Drone and Fern.